Filtronic leads in designing, manufacturing, and testing RF to mmWave components and subsystems, and provides flexible electromechanical assembly services in the U.S. Our Salisbury site is strategically located to provide easy access to the Eastern Seaboard. It's a short drive from major cities such as Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, and Baltimore. We have a highly skilled team who deliver electromechanical assembly solutions, customized to meet the needs of high-tech industries such as space, defense, telecommunications, and critical communication networks. Specializing in end-to-end services, including complex sub-assembly, testing, and servicing. Areas of expertise include procurement, electromechanical assembly, manufacturing engineering, new product introduction, and supply chain control. For more information, visit Filtronic.com.